Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so I just finished doing my foundation. I put my moisturizer, this one by Trader Joe's. And now I place this one is the foundation by Maybelline Matte Poreless. And I love this. And to spread out my foundation, I use this brush. It's the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. It's like breaking now, but I love this brush. I love how it spreads out everything. And I use the other end of it for the concealer. I freaking love it. I get to place the concealer in and blend it out. And I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, for concealer, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and I'm running out of this, so I have to go get more. I also noticed that L'Oreal carries a micro brow pencil that's waterproof. I was like, what the hell? Where was I? Under a rock? How come I didn't know that? I need to do better with my research. But anyways, today I'm just getting ready for some errands, nothing major. And yeah, I just like to be all looking great every time I go out because that's my thing. So I'm gonna use the other end of this brush and I'm gonna spread out this concealer. And yeah, running errands, fun. It's cool. Like, I like taking care of business like that, you know what I mean? And then I like to flip it and blend it into my skin, like press it in. Usually I do sponge, but right now I need to wash my sponge. It's really dirty. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my Makeup Revolution translucent powder. It's baking powder. I'm gonna pick it up with this little brush. Yes?
Can I take the scooter to take the key?
So I put some on the cap a little bit and I'm gonna pick it up with my, I have to spread it out, with my brush. This brush is by Real Techniques. Oh, I think I put too much, but anyways.
Got it.
Yay. I just like to place this powder wherever I did my concealer, just to set that down. And then I'm gonna use the powder for the rest of my face. I wanted to recap on Disney. Oh my God, it was so fun. It was very, like, we just strolled around. We didn't take it too serious, like, oh, we gotta ride this, we gotta get on that. We tried some rides, like, tried to get on some rides, but the waiting time was super long. And yeah, we should have got the you know, the fast pass and stuff, but we felt like it wasn't worth it because we were just gonna take it slow, you know what I mean? But it was fun. Oh my God. And then the next day, yeah, I had to go to work and I should have requested the next day off. I swear. I didn't realize I was so exhausted until I got to work. I was just like depleted, like my energy went to the floor as soon as I got to work. I'm like, oh my God, how am I gonna get through this day? But I was able to pull through at work. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC and a little brush. This is a fluffy brush. This one's by Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna lightly dust the powder on my face, not too much, just to set the foundation down. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my face using the Makeup Geek. It's called It's Complicated Cool Medium Contour. This one right here. I really love it. I've been using it so much. Can't believe I've used this so much and I haven't hit pan. Like, whoa, dude. I feel like it's been months and months. That's cool. That means she packed on that product. So I usually start off like above my ear and just make my way down. My hairline. Okay, if we have harsh lines, we can always go back and blend it. I'm very lightly touching my face with this. I get scared. Sometimes I go overboard with this and I end up looking muddy at the end of the day. I'm always testing like myself with makeup. Like, what if I put more? What if I lower this hairline contour? But it's cool. It's just makeup. Now I'm gonna prime my lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Dude, I need more. I'm like running low. But this primer is as good as the Urban Decay one, or you know which one I want to try? I've tried the Urban Decay, but I would love to try the MAC one. I'm gonna pick up my Mineralized Skin Finish powder to set my lids. I just tap it a couple times, or sometimes whatever's left of powder on the brush, I just tap it so it won't be too cakey too much. Now I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished doing my brows. I used the NYX micro brow pencil, and now I'm gonna pull this Maybelline, it's called Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. This little, it's a tiny little thing like this, and the wand looks like a mascara. And I'm just gonna brush my brows, and it just gives my hairs like a little bit of texture, and also like it makes them sit in place. I don't know, I like it. Okay, so the palette I decided to use today is this one. I got it on TikTok shop, and it's called Amor a la Mexicana. It's by JC Cosmetics. JC Cosmetics. I really love it, so I decided to do that today with my fluffy brush here. This one right here, Yucatan. Okay, it's like a light brown or something. I need that for my transition color, and I'm gonna put it up high right here. I'm gonna try to pull my eye out. Pull my eye out. Pull my eye up. I've just been trying to do different techniques for my hooded eyes. I mean, I don't even know if they're hooded, but anyways, look, see, like, yeah, I can't put it right on the crease because then you can't see it. So I have to pull it up a little bit. I'm just gonna keep it up there. And yes, Lily's running around with a helmet. I don't know, kids. But overall, like, Disneyland was fun. There was a lot of people, and I get it. It's like summer. Some people are on vacation, and I was like, what the hell, man? It's a Tuesday. Why is everybody here? But yeah, it's just never ending. There was a point where like we watched a parade and that whole crowd that was watching the parade left at the same time, and I was like, oh man, the rides must be like, you know, we can probably get on some rides and stuff, and nah, like the rides were still packed. And it's like, well, yeah, it's Disneyland, what do we expect? But you know, me and my kids are big Disney fans, and my daughter was like, the pregnant one was like, oh, you know, we should do this again. Like, we should this time, like, I'm picking up the same color with my smudge brush. I'm so down with Disney again. I'm on, like, let's do it. Even after the baby's born. And I'm like, oh my God. Like, she was talking about, like, a year from now. But also the food, the place where we went to go eat, it was in downtown Disney. It's called Jazz something. I'll put the name on the bottom. But it gives you, like, you know, New Orleans vibes and stuff. And yeah, we ate there. It was my first time eating there. Like, I've tried the other restaurants in downtown Disney, and this one was awesome. I never expected it would be that great. That's why I always skipped it. And I'm glad I tried it. What I had was this, I forgot what the plate is called, but it's literally like mac and cheese with grilled chicken on top of it. And I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I was like, fuck, mac and cheese, I don't know, you know, it's cheesy and it's like but the guy was like, trust me, you'll love it. And I saw that it was spicy, you know, when I read the description, I was like, it's spicy. All right, just because it said spicy, I agreed with him and I said, all right, just bring it, let's see how it goes. And it was yummy. And they serve you a good amount, so I was able to take some home and I ate it at work the next day. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this pointy brush. This is the Morphe M519. And I'm gonna pick up a darker shade. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna pick up Guanajuato. It's like a reddish brown. I don't know, but it's this one right here. Tap it a couple times, okay? And I'm gonna place it on top right here. Telling you, I'm trying to open my eye more. But yeah, I love Disney, dude. Like, it's, I mean, I know my older son does not like it. I asked him recently. He's like, hell no, I haven't gone. I don't know. He has his reasons, but I remember when he was a kid, he used to be like, it takes forever to get there. It takes forever to get inside. It takes forever to, like, get on a ride. It's like, why? Why would I want to torture myself? And I get it. Some people don't like it, but I do. I don't know. I just do. I love roller coasters. I love eating, you know, like the food that they have out there. The beignets, oh my God. The churros. The mint julep drink over there in the New Orleans Square. So good. It's all sugary, of course, but, you know, it's Disneyland. You gotta enjoy it. Lily had fun, my little one. So yeah, I'm just doing like the outer V here and connecting it with the top part. I'm trying to keep it high, like up here. Okay, with that same brush, let's do Michoacan. Michoacan right here. And same thing, I'm just gonna layer it on top. Okay, so now the color I would like to use, this one right here, Colima. I was gonna put it on the other day for work and I was like, wait a minute. Let me try the other one. The other one that I put on was this one, Aguas Calientes, the one on top of it. This is the one I'm gonna use right now. Let's see. It's a beautiful, bright, almost orange color. And there's no damn sun again. What the hell's going on, dude? So, okay, I'm gonna pick up Colima. This brush is by MAC. It's the 239, okay? And I'm gonna just place it right on my lid. And of course, I'm gonna drag it up. Yeah, the weather's been really weird here, dude. Like, no sun. It's been weeks. And the sun eventually kind of peeks out. like around 3 or something, and it's like, dude, what the hell? What a waste of a day. Because I love the sun, and I'm like, man, it's June now. Like, where is the summer? Where's the sun? Why is it so cold? Okay, so I just did my mascara. Should I do an eyeliner? I mean, I'm just running errands. But anyways, the mascara that I used is this one by Maybelline, Surreal. The Falsies Surreal. This one right here. Okay, so I decided to do this blush by Makeup Geek. It's called Chivalry. And I'm going to pick it up with this fluffy brush right here. This is Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. I mean, it's my blush brush. Anyways, I'm going to tap it onto the apples of my cheeks, but higher, to bring color into my face. Ooh, I like it. And yeah, I put a little bit on my nose, of course. Now, for my lips, I've been obsessing with these. I bought 2 more colors. I think these 2 are the new ones. But anyways, it's 420 Le Rouge Paris and Wine Not. I think these are the 2 new ones. But anyways, I've been so obsessed with these. I love the way they look. But today I'm going to change it up a little bit just because it's a casual day and I'm going to just be running errands. And I still want to look cute. I'm going to pick up this Maybelline Lifter Plump. It's called Hot Chili. So it's going to give me like a reddish tone or something. Let's see. And I think it goes really well with the eyes. How they look juicy and full. And yeah, they're gonna start tingling. It doesn't hurt that bad, but it does tingle. It feels like you have like chili on your lips, and it does have that little chili on it, but I like it. I like that it gives you like color as well. I'm not gonna do the spray because it's not gonna be a long day, so I'm just gonna let it be. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Anyways, I enjoyed myself today with you guys. I love doing my makeup. I wish I could record every time, but sometimes it's difficult. Life, this, that, kid, cats, yeah. So thank you guys so much for joining me today as I get ready for the day. And subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for everybody who has been a subscriber and returning, and you know, thank you so much for the thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, they're starting to sting now.